Hey guys, I hope you are still watching. You haven't watch halfway and just go away, because this information I'm about to share is very, very important. I'm going to share the reason why you need to learn how to make chinchin flakes, or why you need to add it to your business. If you're a snack vendor that deals on chinchin, this is one chinchin that you are going to enjoy adding to your business at this time. So reason be that I coach a lot of people on chinchin business, and lately a lot of them have been asking me about pricing. How much am I selling? How much can they sell? You understand, I know there's a lot of chinchin recipe out there, but no recipe is going to give you like an accurate price at this moment, because things are quite expensive. Like, raw materials are on the eye, if you understand what I mean. Okay, in my location at this moment, we are buying a bag of flour for 77,000 naira, and that is just flour. You need to buy vegetable oil, you need to buy margarine, you need to buy sugar, and a crate of egg is actually 5,500 naira now. So adding all of this together, you are going to spend a whole lot buying raw materials, and then add your own manpower to it. It's going to cost a lot, and you are going to have like low sales, because a lot of people will just feel like, oh, it's just chinchin, I can do without it. But then there are a lot of people that love to eat chinchin, but because of the high rate, they will not want to buy. But with chinchin flake, they might just want to give it a try and end up liking it, and that way you still remain in business. Okay, you don't just stop selling because of the price of raw materials, if you understand what I mean. So when it comes to our regular milky chinchin, you have to add a lot of milk, you have to add a lot of margarine, you have to, you know what I mean, crate of egg and all of that. But when it comes to chinchin flakes, the ingredient is quite on the low and minimum. Okay, as I've already put in the description or on the screen, you have seen the ingredient I use on this. For chinchin flakes, you don't need eggs and you don't need baking powder, because we are not trying to add any rising agent on this recipe. Eggs can make your chinchin rise. That's why you see sometimes when you fry your chinchin, it comes out bulky. You get what I mean? Why milk also can give it this rising agent, like it can make it like bulky also, which all of this joined together is the reason why that chinchin is like what people want. But in chinchin flake, you can do it without most of that. You can do without eggs, you can do without milk, you can do without lot of margarine. You understand what I'm trying to say? So with this ingredients and all that I've used, you can see it's on a minimal, and trust me, the fact that it's on a minimal doesn't mean the taste is not rich. It's very rich and nice. If you don't give it a try, definitely you won't know. It's very rich and nice, and it's going to be like an improvising the regular chinchin to this, and then you are giving your customers the opportunity to choose. I don't know if you understand what I mean. You are giving them the opportunity to choose. Is either they are buying or they are ordering for the regular chinchin, or they are going for the chinchin flakes. Instead of you not selling at all, it's best to give them an option, which is this chinchin flakes. So this is something I feel like every chinchin or snack vendor should try and add to their business at this point. Things are very expensive, and you still need to stay in business. You can't just close up or pack up because you can't market expensive goods. Okay, so go ahead and give this a try and let me know what you think about, as in how you see it. Okay, just let me know in the comment section what you think. Yeah, I would really need to know if this was helpful at all. So another thing you need to know about chinchin flakes is it takes really less time to fry. Okay, this takes like 3 to 5 minutes for each batch to fry, unlike the regular chinchin that you need to leave on the stove for it to like cook through. Are you getting me? This one, just leave your cooker on high heat and it just fry away, and it gets crunchy almost immediately. This is very nice, trust me, and it's tastes nice as well. You can add milk emulsion if you want, but with the milk flavor you are good to go. So let me know, like I said, let me know what you think about this, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, thank you for watching as always. So guys, this is what our finished product looks like. It's so crunchy and the taste is so good. Your clients is really going to appreciate you for making this available to them. So I mentioned earlier, I'm now using golden terra oil because it's less expensive and it doesn't dry easily. Okay, it doesn't dry fast. I use one sachet for this, and one sachet is just 2,100 naira. And yeah, I used it, and at the end of the day I still got more than half of the oil left in my pan. So yeah, it's a good deal. Okay, go ahead and give it a try. This is not a paid ad, but I just want to tell you guys what is being helpful to me so you guys can try. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.